In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change new tab page to Google in Firefox. If you'd like every new tab you open to take you directly to the Google homepage instead of the default Firefox new tab page, this tutorial will show you exactly how to make that change. The process is simple to follow and only takes a few minutes. Once everything is set up, opening a new tab will become much more convenient if you regularly use Google for your searches. To get started, open the Firefox browser on your computer. After the browser has opened, look toward the upper right corner of the window and click the extensions icon. This is where you can view and manage the extensions that are available in Firefox. From the menu that appears, select Manage Extensions. Doing this will take you to the page where you can search for and manage browser extensions. Once you're on the extensions page, locate the search bar. In the search field, type New Tab Override and wait for the search results to appear. This extension is designed to let you customize what opens whenever you create a new tab, making it a simple solution for changing the default new tab page. When the search results appear, select the first result for New Tab Override. This will open the extension's information page, where you can review its features before adding it to Firefox. To continue, click the Add to Firefox button. Firefox will display a confirmation prompt asking if you want to add the extension. Click Add to proceed, and then click OK when the setup is complete. After a few moments, the extension will be added to your browser and will be ready to use. Once the extension has been added, you'll see its icon near the top of the Firefox window. Click the extension icon to open its settings. Inside the URL field, type google.com. This tells the extension to open the Google homepage whenever a new tab is created. After entering the address, simply close the settings window. The extension will remember your selection automatically, so there's nothing else you need to configure. To make sure everything has been set up correctly, open a brand new tab in Firefox. If the process was successful, the new tab should automatically open the Google homepage instead of the default Firefox page. This is an easy way to personalize your browsing experience and make Google immediately available whenever you start a new tab. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,